Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make collard greens from the bag. Even though they come pre-washed, it's a good idea to give them a quick rinse under cool water. Just place them in a colander and let the water run over them for about 30 seconds. While rinsing, take a moment to check for any overly tough stems or discolored pieces and simply discard those. This ensures you're starting with the best quality greens for your dish. To infuse your collard greens with deep flavor, simmering them in a rich broth is key. Many people love to add smoked meats, such as a ham hock or a few slices of bacon, which contribute a wonderful savory depth. For a balanced taste, consider stirring in a tablespoon or two of apple cider vinegar or a dash of your favorite hot sauce right before serving. This brightens the overall profile. Seasoning is crucial for delicious collard greens. Don't be shy with salt and freshly ground black pepper. A pinch of red pepper flakes can add a subtle warmth without making them overly spicy. Once seasoned, let your greens simmer gently for at least 1 hour, or even longer, until they reach your desired tenderness. Remember to stir them every 15 to 20 minutes to ensure even cooking and prevent any sticking. Once your collard greens are perfectly tender and flavorful, they are ready to be served hot. They make an excellent, hearty side dish that complements many meals. Traditionally, they are often enjoyed alongside warm cornbread, which is perfect for soaking up all that delicious pot liquor. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.